All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Porcelino, Man Over Market, and today is April 14th and the day before tax day. Your favorite day of the world, right? All right, here's the numbers for today. We got PPI FD at 7:30 a.m. Central Time, retail sales at 7:30 a.m. Central Time, Red Book 7:55 a.m., NFIB Small Business Optimism Index 8 a.m. Central Time, business inventories 9 a.m. Central Time. 4 week bill auction, 10:30 a.m. Central, and I cannot pronounce that name. Will be speaking tonight. So that's out on Twitter already. So make sure you go to Twitter and stay in touch with us all day long. Okay. All right. So yesterday ended up being a down day. We're trying to, you know, after having here's what the profile looks like. So the 20-day mode is at 2078.88. The 20-day value area high is 2098.63. 2055.88 is the value area low. Um, After this consolidations, we went up in this is day only profile. Day only profile. Currently, we are trading lower at 284, looking to fill in some of the action from the other day. So if we look at our day chart and the breakout, okay, so we had one, two, three higher um, closes. We had a lower close yesterday, and we're working on a second one today. Um, Remember that this 2086 area is a 78.6 retracement from the all-time highs down to this low down here in 1970. Okay. Um, we are in this range. We went up and did on a daily basis, just barely touched the top of that blue Keltner channel. Um, So looking for some retracement, and I think that we're going to need some retracement if they want to keep going higher. Just the fact that there is poor structure down below, meaning I don't think we've spent enough time down there. Need to fill in. Overnight, take a look at the action. We got a high at 2092.75. We've got a low of 2079 and a quarter. Okay. All right, so we filled in yesterday. We ended up filling in some of the single prints that we were looking for. I still think that this is unfinished down in this area. There's 2066. Plus, we still have this all these single prints that we've talked about for several days back to April 5th. Back to April 5th. All right. So I think the market is poised for a retracement and has to spend some more time building uh, some volume down in this area. Uh, right now, we are going to be using 2090 275, I think, for a bull bear zone. Oh, I'm sorry, right? 2092, 2092 quarter. Here's the, here we go, where our top of value is 2087 and a quarter. I'm sorry, bottom of value is 2087 and a quarter. All right. We have a bull bear zone of 2092 and a quarter. And then we have a point of control of 2098 half. And way up here, 2099 and a quarter is the top of value. 2099 quarter is the top of value. Um, that's what I have going on with the S&Ps. So I'm, looking for uh, to see if we could put two lower closes. As usual, you have to get back inside value. If you can get back inside value, then you have a chance to go up, test the bull bear zone, and the point of control is always a big magnet. So we got to see where we're at. We got the 5 minute pivot sitting right now at 2093.86. So let's call it let's call it 2093.75. Okay, 2396.75. Right now, currently, I've got the Nasdaqs are in a buy, 5 minute pivot. The uh, Dow is in a buy on the 5 minute pivot, and the Russell's in a buy on the 5 minute pivot. So they're doing a little retracement, and the S&P is the only one not in a buy. S&P is the only one not in a buy. Okay, so you know what we're expecting there. Gold is making a little bit of a rally here. 1205 is the top of value. 1194 is the point. I'm sorry, gold is breaking. 1194 is the point of control, and 1198.20 and 1198.17. You can't see it, but it's going to be the bull bear zone. Gold is down $13, so that's indicative that people think that the world is getting better as far as risk when it comes to the financial markets. Okay, here's our bonds. Once again, the bonds make a low and rally up from the lows. Okay, made this low at 62.19. We got the bottom of value of 163. 163.15 is the point of control. 163.20 is going to be the, or 163.06, I'm sorry, is the top of value. And then 163.09 is going to be the bull bear zone. Uh, they are staging a nice rally. We'll see what happens on the numbers when they come out at 7:30. Okay, oil. Let me bring the oil chart in. Okay, oil is up about 35 cents. We're going to use the bottom of value at 51.85, 51.91 point of control. Top is 52.47, 52.47. Let me put a 5 minute chart on here. Okay, so you got the 5 minute pivot at 52.17. Okay, and oil's oscillator has turned a little bit bullish, so look out for the bull bear zone here at 52.10, and let's make sure that we stay above that and it stays inside value. We still haven't registered value. I got to put this back to a 30 minute. All right, there it is. Whoops, too much. All right. So 52.10 is the bull bear zone. It's trying to get outside it. You can see that it got into this trading range that we've got shaded from yesterday. So you're going to have to get out top of value and to stay above that and continue the rally. 52.10 remembers the bull bear zone. All right. All right. Just to recap, all right, I think we've got a lot of numbers coming out this morning. Probably going to be very choppy before the market make up its mind after 9:30, and then after that, you should get a pretty good idea on the direction of the market. So we have to get back inside value. We're going to use 2092 and a quarter as our bull bear zone, and way back up here, way up on the top is our point of control and top of value. So I would probably try to stay on the sidelines until the numbers come out, and then see how the market reacts to it. Because basically we're unchanged. We're down 100 right now. All right, everybody. Have a good day trading. See you at Top Step at 8 o'clock. Bye.